Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put negative number 2 in here and here. So this one we can put negative sign x, negative sign x. This one we need to put cosine x. Later that we need to put back negative cosine x. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. The integration of number 1, that is about x. Negative 1 over 2 with the negative we have positive. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x minus sine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one and this one go to the left. So we have negative du. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for negative du. So the integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.